Adding curves to your anti-fatigue mats with AcroSketch is both quick and easy. Once you have the general shape of your mat, navigate up to the toolbar and click the Curve tool. With this, you can grab and drag the borders of your mat to create the curved shape that you need. You'll notice as you drag, the radius begins to populate. Once you have your curve, navigate back up to the toolbar and click the Tape Measure tool. This tool allows you to measure from point A to point B anywhere on your mat to verify dimensions. If you need multiple sides of your mat to be curved, the process is the same. Click the Curve tool, grab and drag that side to the radius that your mat needs. Again, navigate up to the toolbar, select Tape Measure, and verify the dimensions in the same way you did before. If you have a more complex or difficult circular shape and need a hand, our team is available at any time.